to the good senator, we do not agree with you. What happened in the Senate in the last few weeks is proof enough. You allowed a person who is supposed to be arrested with an arrest warrant to escape within your jurisdiction. Nagkaroon ng barilan sa Senado unnecessarily, again within your under your jurisdiction. Kaya nga po ang panawagan namin sa kanya nung una ay bumaba na po siya sa pagka-Senate President, pero dahil we understand that there was already a move in the Senate and the acting Senate President na po si Senator Win Gatchalian, ang panawagan na po namin kay Senator Cayetano is to resign as a senator because he does not deserve to occupy that position any longer. Nakakahiya po sa tatay niya na we understand that his father was aligned with the Marcos Senior administration in the 80s. Pero with all due respect, in fairness naman to Senator Renato Cayetano, nirespeto niya yung institution. In fact, there are many instances also that he was on the right side of history. If you can remember the second EDSA People Power, he was a part of the anti-ERAP movement or the impeachment of ERAP. Senator Renato Cayetano is one of those who wanted the envelope to be opened, which is just right. So ngayon, medyo naliligaw po ng landas yung anak. Pero hindi pa huli ang lahat. Sana magbago po ang isip ninyo. Resign na po kayo sa Senado. Nakakahiya na po tayo sa ibang bansa na maabot na po sa New York Times at kung ano-ano pa kung foreign newspapers ang ating mga balita rito. And nakaka-apekto sa mga investors, sa ekonomiya natin. Wala na pong nag-i-invest dahil sa mga kaguluhan ninyo.